Hello, I'm Mr. M from Git4Dev. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to crypt raster in QGIS. Before I start, don't forget subscribe to my channel to get a new information about GIS. I would like to open Vector and raster. Go to Open Data Source Manager. Click on Vector tab. Browse file boundary.ssp and then open. Click Add. Click Raster tab. Browse file. Select raster file. Click Open. Click Add and close this window. I will give you example file below this video. Reorder layer and adjust style of layer. In this example, I would like to crypt raster file by red boundary. Go to Raster menu. Attraction. Click on Crypt Raster by Mark Layer. Input layer is a raster file and mark layer is a vector file. I assign no data value 0 and click Run. When finished process, you will see new layer on the left of screen. This is the output layer. It has shape like a shape file. If you have any question, you can write down in the comment box. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ